Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a menu using templates in Canva. This is a great option if you want a clean, professional menu without spending hours designing everything from scratch. We'll begin on your main dashboard. This is the home screen you see when you open Canva. It shows your recent designs and a panel along the left side. From here, click Templates. This opens Canva's template library, which is the fastest way to jumpstart a design without starting from a blank page. Using a template is especially helpful for menus because the layout, spacing, headings, and design style are already prepared for you. At the top of the templates page, use the search bar and type Menu. You'll instantly see a wide variety of professionally designed layouts, from cozy cafe styles to bold modern restaurant designs. You might find menus for restaurants, coffee shops, bakeries, food trucks, salons, events, or even digital menu boards, so there are plenty of options depending on your business or project. Take a moment to browse. If you have a certain vibe in mind, try refining by style, color, or orientation, so what you see aligns with your brand and the format you need. It helps to think about practical details too, like whether you prefer a single page or multiple pages, and whether the layout leaves enough room for your item names and descriptions. For example, a small drinks menu may only need one page, while a full restaurant menu may need separate sections for starters, mains, desserts, and beverages. When you find a design you like, click it to open a larger preview. Look through any alternate pages or color variations if they're provided, and make sure the structure fits your content sections for starters, mains, desserts, or drinks, for example. Also check whether the menu is easy to read at a glance, because customers should be able to scan the items and prices quickly without feeling overwhelmed. Once you're happy with your choice, click Customize this template. This opens the design in the Canva editor and hands you full control. Now the template becomes your own working design, so you can change the text, colors, images, layout, and details to match your exact menu. Inside the editor, you're free to modify anything. Double-click text to update item names, descriptions, and prices. Choose fonts that are easy to read and keep contrast high. Dark text on a light background is usually best for menus. Adjust sizes and spacing so nothing feels cramped. A good menu should feel clean and easy to follow, so try to keep descriptions short, clear, and useful. You can drag elements to reorder sections, copy a text box to maintain consistent styling, and use alignment guides to keep everything neat. Replace photos by dragging new images from the left panel onto placeholders, or remove them if you prefer a cleaner, text-forward look. If you use food photos, choose clear, high-quality images that match the style of your menu and do not make the page look too crowded. Update colors to match your brand and apply them consistently across headings, accents, and backgrounds. If you need more space, add a second page or duplicate the current one to keep the same style throughout. This is useful when you want one page for food, another for drinks, or separate pages for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Consider using simple lines or shapes as dividers to separate categories and leave generous margins so the content breathes. It's also a good idea to standardize currency formatting and check that your pricing aligns neatly in a column for quick scanning. Small details like even spacing, matching font sizes, and aligned prices can make your menu look much more polished. That's it. By going to your main dashboard, opening templates, searching for menu, selecting a design you love, and clicking Customize this template, you can quickly create a polished on-brand menu that's clear, readable, and ready the moment you finish customizing. Once you understand this process, you can create menus for restaurants, cafes, events, online shops, service lists, or any business that needs a clean and professional price display. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.